Good morning YouTube, my name is Hui from Bits and Bytes and welcome to another video. In today's video I will be doing a quick review on the VX Gaming Airy Series headphone stand made by Volkano. So, the headphone stand. I purchased this stand for my headset from takealot.com for 150 Rand. The stand comes in a box like this with a black-red color scheme with some artwork at the back. The box is light to hold and the instructions are depicted at the back as well. With a typical unboxing, the headphone stand comes in three pieces, or three components. An ABS base with rubber feet, an anodized aluminium support or beam, and then a plastic but not too rigid headphone rest piece. Assembly is straightforward and assembles really easily. One can use super glue to make the attachments more permanent if you like. Once you have assembled the headphone stand, the stand weighs about 120 grams with dimensions of 225 by 120 by 90 millimeters. The stand is sturdy and feels premium for the price. It currently comes in black and the materials are not too cheap. When placing your headset onto the stand, it really looks amazing. It looks so premium from a distance. The stand does what it is intended for and can hold headphones. The headphone rest is not too sharp or too rigid and you won't risk damaging your headset on it. The stand would fit most headphones and is high enough so that if your headphone is wired, you can route the cables elsewhere without it being bent too much. The stand with headphones is also stable enough so if you slightly knock it, it won't topple to the floor or onto your desk or onto your PC. Furthermore, the headphone stand passes the banana test and keeps banana from falling off the headphone rest. A wonderful thumbs up from me for passing the banana test. In conclusion, should one buy the VX Gaming Airy Series headphone stand made by Volkano? Well, I would say it is a yes, as for a price of 150 Rand in South Africa or 10 US dollars, it is a really good deal and you can't go wrong with it. I'll be leaving the link to the headphone stand in the description below. If you liked what you saw, please leave a like, comment and click on the subscribe button below for more videos like this. It helps me a lot, and as always, take care and stay safe. Cheerio!